Hey guys, welcome back to Bloody Knuckles Garage. Hope you're having a good summer. Haven't forgotten about you, just been very busy. Today a quick video working on some other stuff, but I figured, well, this might be a good one for a lot of people who are wondering. One thing about these Hummers is that there is a lot of plastic on them for whatever reason. Trim everywhere, damaged by the sun. Look at this. Look at this, it's all gray. It's supposed to be black. There's that there. There's the handles. Yeah, I gotta fix the rust. There's like all this down here. There's little flappy thingies. All this stuff up here. All that's all plastic. Looks like crap. So there are different schools of thought for this. Some people say hit it with a blowtorch, which I wouldn't recommend doing. That will give you a temporary fix, but it just dries out the plastic even more. So what you really want to do is something like this. We're gonna give this one a try. Good old Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. It does say I might need 2 or 3 coats. I tried it on little plastic to test part first and it turned out pretty good, so I'll show you what I did here. Okay, now it does say use terry cloth. I've got towels, old towels cut up in the garage. Great way to recycle those into something useful again. Put some on your cloth. Wipe it on there. Smells nice. Already starting to look better. Now this is just going to be the one coat. I'm probably going to put 2 or 3 coats on here. It does recommend it. Leave a little time in between coats. Let it soak in. Yeah, that looks a lot better. This side looks dirty. Like even if I wipe this down though. You might be able to tell in the video. Let's see here. Black, gray. So just continue doing that. It does say if you put too much on, just make sure there's no excess kicking around. But we'll do this side next here. There is a lot of plastic trim I've got to do, so I'm going to try this out first. I thought about blowtorching it, but I just don't want to dry it out and make it worse down the road. So hopefully this will refresh the old girl on a bit of the trim here. Nice alternative as well to doing something like Plastidip or some kind of a vinyl paint. This will just try to restore oils back into the plastic. So, and there you go. Give that a shot. Had a lot of guys in the forums and stuff asking questions every now and then about different ways of doing it. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, quick video for today. And I'll show you why. Yeah, been having a lot of fun with the transmission. It was hooped, so been making a video on that. That'll be out at some point as well. Anyway, thanks for watching today. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.